welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, composed by the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then you will have the C major 7th, like this. So composed by the C, the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of C. Then the E minor, composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then you will have the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And eventually the A minor, composed of the E, the A, and the C, and the bass note of A. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even broader understanding of the chords. Let's first look at the introduction of this song. So I will play the whole table slowly so that you can understand the rhythm and the counting pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So for the introduction, just play this table once. And right after that, you will have the first verse. So let me display the corresponding table for you. And we are going to keep the same method. So it would go like this. I wanna take you somewhere so you know I care. But it's so cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils in a pretty string, but they won't flower like they did last spring. 5, 6. Okay, so the first time you're gonna play the C major 6 times, and then when you'll be repeating that table, play that last C major 4 times. And notice how the next lyrics come when you play the C major for the 5th time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Na 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 na. Okay? I will let you try this on your own, just follow the table, and let me also remind you that you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. And right after this, you will have the first chorus, and as you can hear in the original song, the chords are simply played and held. So here's the table for the first chorus, and directly with the lyrics, it would sound like this. On another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. Okay, so just repeat again. So to play the first chorus, you will need to repeat this table 4 times in total. After you completed the section, you will reach an interlude, and the playing style will also evolve since we're going to double every chord and bass note. So here's the new table, and I will first play it slowly so that you can understand this final pattern that we're also going to be using for the next sections of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if somebody hurts you. See that the singing actually begins at 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if somebody hurts you. And here's the table for that next verse. So as you can see, play this table 4 times, but do not play the last C major on the 4th round because the second chorus will begin directly after you played the B minor. So let me resume on the C major and remember that the singing begins at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if somebody hurts you, I wanna fight, but my hand's been broken one too many times. And you repeat the table, okay? So 4 times in total. And remember, no C major on the last repetition. Then you will have the second chorus, and again, the table will be different. So I will display it to you right now. We'll be keeping the same method, so directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. On another love, all my tears have been used up. On another love, all my tears have been used up. And you repeat again, okay? So in total, play this table 4 times. Again, let me remind you that I created a PDF file directly associated to this song, so feel free to use this resource and you'll find the link in the description box. So after this second chorus, you will have a second interlude and the bridge, and you'll be able to play both sections with this very table. So repeat this twice for the interlude and twice again for the bridge. And since you're probably familiar with the method now, I will directly sing you the bridge. I wanna sing a song that be just ours, but I sing them all to another heart. And repeat one last time. And I wanna cry, I wanna fall in love, but all my tears have been used up. And eventually, you'll be able to finish this song by replaying the first chorus table and playing it with this same method. I wish you all good luck with this one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.